Why did I already get glitter on myself? How? Huda Beauty Naked palette. Naked. No, that's a lie. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't clicked that subscribe button, please subscribe to my channel. So today I want to do a Valentine's Day look, and I already have a little bit of Valentine's Day look going because I have hearts on my necklace, if you guys can't tell. So I thought that's pretty festive for Valentine's Day. So as far as my makeup, I of course want to do something pretty. I do want to go into my Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I want to use their glitter right here. Look how beautiful that glitter is. I'm not even sure which one I want to use. Maybe I'll go with this one because it seems to pick up better on the camera. And when I swatched it, they were so gorgeous. So I've been wanting to use that the glitter for some time now. So I figured Valentine's Day, I want to do like a pink look. Last year I did more of like a red lip and nude eyes kind of a look, and if you want to see that video, I'll link it up here. But for this year, I think I want to do a more of a pink look, and I definitely want to use the glitter right here. So I was debating whether I wanted to do a full lid with the glitter or go about it a different way. I don't know if you guys saw my Christmas video, and also if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link to it up here. I did do a liner, a glitter liner for my Christmas look, so I don't know if I want to play off of that and maybe do another glitter liner for Valentine's Day. I mean, why not? I loved that look. It was so beautiful, and it was actually quite simple to put together. So I think maybe I'll lean towards that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Okay, so let's get started. So since this video is going to involve glitter, I'm going to do my eyes first, and then I'll go and do the rest of my makeup. So, and I definitely want to do the liner, right? Like a really nice winged liner. So I'm going to use tape and just tape the edges right here, just so that I can get a nice crisp line. I always put the tape on my hand if you're using regular tape, just so that it's not that tacky for this area since it's so sensitive. To prime my lid, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. Now I'm going to go into the color Secret in my Huda Beauty palette. I want to put that all over my lid. I'm using that as my base, my everything. That is a gorgeous pink for the lid. So I'm going to stick with this color for my lid. I brought it up pretty much close to where my brows were, so like right there. And I think that's literally all I want for my lid because the main attraction is going to be the eyeliner. So I like how this looks. This is a nice color, it goes with my top. So yeah. For the eyeliner, I'm going to do a little bit of like a template as to where I want all of it to be, but I want it to be more of like a gradient, if that makes sense. I want to use this color right here, the glitter, and I'm going to go into this color right here to give myself an outline of how I want the eyeliner to look, and then I'm going to go over it with the glitter. And I do want the eyeliner to be a little bit thicker because that's pretty much the only thing I'm going to have on my lid. So as you can see like a little bit of an outline of that color. Yeah, you see that? Ooh. So the eyeliner looks pretty thick right now, but it looks nice. Okay, so I have my eyeliner lined out, and I think it looks nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the glitter in. I'm going to use this glitter glue by NYX just up to maybe like halfway, and then the rest is going to be a different color. I'm using the same brush that I used to pat that in, and the glitter I'm going in with is Excite right here. I'm gonna go in with a thin pencil brush to go into the end, to the inner corner, because that's really hard. That's so pretty. Yeah, the pencil brush works better, guys. I just took like a plain brush. This doesn't have any color or anything on it. And I'm just cleaning out my line. So just cleaning it a little bit, flicking off the edge so the edge can be a little bit smoother. Glitter is, of course, difficult to work with. Now I'm just going back into that original brush that I used with the color Secret that I put all over my lid and just cleaning that area up. For the rest of the eyeliner, I'm going to use black liquid liner just to make that eyeliner pop a little bit more. And since the eyeliner is the main thing that you want to show off, I'm going to add black just so that the glitter can also shine through a little bit more. I'm going to use my favorite liquid liner, which is the Lakme Insta Liner. I'm going to use a thin angled brush to do the rest of my liner. I do want to help it to blend in just a little bit more, so I'm going to try to basically extend that glitter just a tiny bit. I'm taking a little bit of that glue, just a tad bit, and literally just dotting it here and there, not like a solid one, and taking a little bit of that glitter and loosely just placing it onto that. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but over here you can. It's not like a solid block between the glitter and the black. It's like the glitter just extends a little bit, little line over to the black. So you can see some of the black underneath the glitter. So that's pretty much it for the top lid. Ooh, nice and crisp. Tape is a great trick to make your liner straight. Now I can go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. Now to prime, I'm going to use this NYX Honey Do Me Up. It is like honey. I'm going to go ahead and color correct my face with Ruby Kisses Pure Mineral Corrector in Peach. For foundation, I'm going to go into my Milani Conceal and Perfect in 9 Tan. I like my Milani foundation, but the only thing I don't like about it is that it does oxidize, so you do have to be careful. It will get darker, so maybe a shade lighter if you're going to go and get it. But I'm just going to use a brush right now just to apply this foundation just all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge. I prefer using a sponge for foundation application. Even though this is not a bad brush, this is from Zoeva, so this is actually a pretty decent brush, and it is their 112. Pretty much using this like I would my sponge. Even if I go in with a brush, I later go in with a sponge just to make it kind of melt into my skin a little bit more. So for my beauty sponge, I'm going to use this E.L.F. beauty sponge right here. It's so cute. I love the color, and it feels a little different from regular sponges. It does have like a little bit of that fuzzy feel to it, so hopefully it does a good job with the foundation. I do like it. a lot actually. I like this foundation so much. It has good coverage. And it is drugstore, guys. Like, it does a good job. So next I'm going to go ahead and conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. You gotta be really careful when you go right underneath where the liner is. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake my under eyes just so they're nice and set. And I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty powder in Blondie. To contour, I'm going to go into this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C14. I'm going to go into this brush right here from E.L.F. It's like a flat brush, and that kind of helps me to not spread it out too much. And I love how it just like melts into your skin and doesn't just stay on the surface like a harsh contour. So that is definitely a plus with this. So now I'm going to add a little bit of a powder contour because I want to make it a little bit deeper. I'm going to go into my E.L.F. and I'm going to use the darkest color right here. I like to use a nice like fluffy round but more of like a condensed brush to go and do that, and it gives me like a really nice contour. Now I can take the baking off. So for my blush, I'm going to go into the Seraphine Botanicals Lychee and Gold blush. It has a nice rosy look to it, so let's give ourselves a nice rosy look. And I like this because it has a little bit of a glow to it. Before I finish my eyes, I'm going to go in and do my brows, and I'm going to use this Parody Brow Goals in Dark Chocolate. I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. These are the Ardell Wispy lashes. They are a little bit difficult to put on top of glitter because you want it to kind of like stick onto something. And you want to wear anything that was too dramatic because I wanted the liners to be seen well. So I think this works really well. Now let's go ahead and finish off the eyes. I'm going to use the color Tease right here, which is right next to Secret, which I used on my top lid. I'm going to use a color that's a little bit more deeper for my bottom lid. And then for my liner, I'm going to go in with a nude liner just to open up my eyes a little bit. I'm going to use the NYX Wonder Pencil in the color Medium. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to stick with this palette. I'm going to use this color right here. It is Fantasy. Now for the rest of my highlight, I'm so upset because I got this new highlighter from Makeup Revolution and it broke, you guys. It is a beautiful highlighter. It's in the color Gold Addict. It is so pretty. So I'm going to try to work with this. So first I'm going to take that into my brow bone. I hope I don't drop it everywhere because that would be bad. I've already dropped it. To fix it, and it had like this nice little wavy grooves into it. So pretty. Why did I have to drop it? I'm going to take this into my brow bone. Look how pretty that color is. A little bit in the center. For the rest of my face, I'm telling you, this is beautiful, so get ready. Look at that, that's so gorgeous. And you don't need much. Now for my lips, I think I'm gonna keep it pretty nude because the eyes are so pretty as it is. I'm gonna go into this ochre color in Bal Harbour. To add a little hint of pink to that, I'm gonna go in with this SC color in Cool Nude, which is like this beautiful pink right here. Okay guys, so that's it for my Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. This was actually very easy to create. It's just one color on the lid. The eyeliner does take a little bit more time, but you are using tools like tape and eyeshadow to make the liner, so it's easier for you to get to this result. The glitter looks so pretty, and the glitter to the black looks gorgeous. I love the way everything turned out. I think this whole look is just a nice, simple, pretty pink look for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys do recreate this. Subtle pink look is very glamorous, so definitely try this out. If you guys want to check out another look that I did for Valentine's Day, go to my Instagram, follow me there. I have another look over there for you guys. It is a quick video, so check it out. I hope you enjoy it, and I will leave a link to my Instagram in my description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And also leave me a comment below letting me know if you like this look and what do you have planned for Valentine's Day. I think I'll be working, but whatever it is, I hope you guys have fun. If you don't have a significant other to celebrate with, go out with your friends, enjoy the day, and just be safe and have fun. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye. I'm adding a little bit more because I'm crazy.